What's up, guys? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Found a very interesting statistic that shows kind of the sentiment of most people in the market currently. But before we get into that, make sure you go ahead, hit that like, hit that subscribe button on the ClearCryptos channel, because again, that way you'll know when any of the content is live for your viewing pleasure. So apparently 62% of all Bitcoin addresses did not sell any Bitcoin for a year or more, despite the crypto winter. So yes, so it goes on to say that in particular, 62% of Bitcoiners have not sold the asset for over a year amid the prevailing depressed market conditions. So as we know, the market in general has gone through this huge retracement. Okay, if we're just looking at the last year, we can see that we're down quite a bit. You know, if you look at it exactly a year ago, we're talking down about 80% or so. I mean, 80% is a very large number to be down, obviously. But people, it seems like, are either one of two things. Okay, people either don't want to sell at a loss, which I don't blame them. Okay, or they believe that the potential for Bitcoin is so large that there's no point in selling now because, you know, it could essentially take off at any point, and the value in the future is expected to be so much higher than the values we're seeing currently, which is, you know, kind of gone on to be the case in, you know, previous bear market cycles that we have gone through. So it's very interesting to see that, you know, that's been the case for a lot of people. Now, there have been, you know, some other statistics that have come out too. It looks like 32% of investors disposed of the asset between 1 and 12 months as of September 1st. Now, I'm not sure, obviously, what the spread on that looks like. They could have essentially held it for 11 months and then finally just said, screw it, we're done, we're not holding anymore. And then 6% have actually held for less than a month. So those might be some of your like traders and stuff like that. So I found this to be very cool, very interesting, because despite the negative sentiment that still exists to this day in crypto, because obviously there's a lot of macroeconomic events that are negative going on right now, people are still choosing to hold their assets for the time to, you know, for the foreseeable future. Now, excuse me. Now, I'm not sure if that will be the case. As time moves on, obviously we'll have to pay attention to and monitor this, but I think this was very cool because, you know, people think that everybody's just dumping their coins on the market, letting it free fall, you know, but in reality, there are people that are just holding. They're just holding it. They don't want to get rid of it. And this doesn't, you know, talk about it all, but those same people that are holding may also be the people acquiring too. As you know, the best time to build your bag for the future is in the bear market. Now, as always, if you haven't already, please feel free to go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Again, that way, excuse me, you'll be up to date on all the content that comes out on the ClearCryptos channel. Go ahead, hit that little bell too. That way you'll get notified when any of that content is live for you. Appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch this video. As always, we do this just for entertainment, to keep you updated, informed. And again, you can always have luck on your side, just like me. Hope to see you guys in the next one, and have a great rest of your day.